Good morning, Sham Stars. Children, in previous video of chapter 18, body fluids and circulation, we studied about blood and formed elements of the blood. In this presentation, we will talk about blood groups. Blood of human beings differ in certain aspects, though it appears to be similar. Various types of grouping of blood has been done. Two such groupings are ABO and the RH factor. These two groups are widely used all over the world. There are four main blood groups A, B, AB and O. Blood group is determined by the genes we inherit from our parents. Each group can be either RH positive or RH negative. ABO grouping is based on the presence or absence of two surface antigens on the RBC, namely A and B. The plasma of different individuals contain two natural antibodies. Antibodies are proteins produced in response to antigens. The distribution of antigens and antibodies in four groups of blood, these four groups are A, B, AB and O as shown in this table. We know that during blood transfusion, any blood cannot be used. The blood of donor has to be carefully matched with the blood of a recipient before any blood transfusion to avoid severe problems of clumping, that is, destruction of RBC. The donor's compatibility is shown in this slide, and you can understand that group O blood can be donated to persons with any other blood group, and hence O group individuals are called universal donors. Persons with AB group can accept blood from persons with AB group as well as the other groups of blood. Therefore, such persons are called universal recipients. Another antigen, the RH antigen, similar to one present in rhesus monkeys, is also observed on the surface of RBCs of majority of humans. Such individuals are called RH positive, and those in whom this antigen is absent are called RH negative. An RH negative person, if exposed to RH positive blood, will form specific antibodies against the RH antigens. Therefore, RH group should also be matched before transfusions. A special case of RH mismatching has been observed between the RH negative blood of a pregnant mother with RH positive blood of the fetus. RH antigens of the fetus do not get exposed to RH negative blood of the mother in the first pregnancy, as the two bloods are well separated by the placenta. However, during the delivery of the first child, there is a possibility of exposure of the maternal blood to small amounts of the RH positive blood from the fetus. In such cases, the mother starts preparing antibodies against RH in her blood. In case of her subsequent pregnancies, the RH antibodies from the mother can leak into RH of the fetus, that is RH positive, and destroy the fetal RBCs. This could be fatal to the fetus or could cause severe anemia and jaundice to the baby. This condition is called erythroblastosis fetalis. This condition can be avoided by providing anti-RH antibodies to the mother immediately after the delivery of the first child. So children, this is all about blood groups. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will talk about coagulation of blood. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.